Hello to my viewers. My topic today is about indefinite integral. This math is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and engineering students. So I have here integral, circle brackets, x squared plus 3x plus 4 dx. So I need to integrate individually. So this will be x squared dx. Then plus, constant will be outside of the integration, x dx. Then plus 4 dx. Okay, so we know that x n plus 1 over n plus 1. So this will be plus 1. This will be 3 over 3 plus 3. This will be squared over 2 plus 4x plus c. And then to write the simple form, 1/3 x cubed plus 3 over 2 x squared plus 4x plus c. That's all.